onto function or surjective. A function f from x to y is said to be onto or surjective if every element of y is at least an image of x, at least an image or one image of x. So, it has to be at least one, at least n, or we can use the word one, at least one image of x. So, you have to underline this word. Let me write this properly, I have written so badly here, at least one, at least. So, here the thing is at least, we will understand this with example. So, what does this mean is that if I give you graphically, we can show you like this. So, this is one set x and this is another set y. If I take this as vowels a, e, I, o, u, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, each vowel a is 1, e is 2, I is 3, o is 4 and u is 5. So, if the function under the effect of function, if x and y are related like this, then we will call this as what? The onto function. Let us take an example to understand this. So, let us say I give you a function f of x equal to 5x minus 7. Check whether this is, check the surjectivity of the function. So, how will you do? I am going to show you a different way to do it. I am not going to go the traditional how books. This is sometimes it's very hard for the average mind students to understand this, and they find it very difficult. So, I am showing a very easy way to show you, that is with the help of graph. You should have a very good knowledge of graph in this. So, you can see 5x minus 7, it is the equation of a straight line with a slope 5 with a slope. So, you can easily see, we can make a plot here, x and y is a very easy curve. So, if x is 0, y will be minus 7, y is minus 7. So, minus 7 is the negative slope. So, that means 1 intercept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, here is it, okay. And then if x is 1, if x is just make a rough one, x is 1, just a general graph we need, we do not need to be so very specific. So, x is 1, I get here 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. So, x is 1, y is minus 2. So, that means this is the point. The graph will be going something like this, somewhere like this. So, this is the curve, right, approximately general curve. Now, if you look closely, so the function, let me tell you, the function goes from real to real, the function is from real to real. So, that means this is real, y values are all real and x values are all real. So, you can see that all the y, you can see all the values of y has a value of x, all the values of y. You can see this, it take randomly any point, let us say this is y dash. So, it has a corresponding x dash. Similarly, if I take this point here also, this is minus y. So, we also have a, so this is minus y. So, similarly, we have a corresponding minus x. Hence, we can say that this is surjective. So, how will you write this? So, for all y element of R, that is the set y, this is, there exists x element of R. That means we can also say that y is an image of x. Every element of y is an image of x, hence it is surjective, hence f is surjective. Simple proof. Let us say a function which is not surjective. Let us take the modulus function. So, next question, if I take f of x equals to mod x, let us see it is surjective or not, and it is from real to real, real to real. Let us check this, check surjectivity. Of f. So, how to do it? Again we will plot the graph. How is the mod function? If you remember, I have taught you the mod function. The mod function is something like this. This is the one and this is the one. Okay. So, let us check this, is this surjective or not. So, for this to be surjective, that means the function is from real to real, that means this is all real, this is also real, minus all real numbers here, and this is all minus are also real, x real number, these are plus. So, you can see that all the x, they are minus the, no doubt this is an on one function because all the x has its corresponding y, but all the y do not have. For example, minus y values, minus y, element of y, element of the real, do not have any x, element of r. What about these things? There is no image for this range of real numbers, right? There is no negative y numbers for which there is an x. Hence, what you can say, do not have any x element of r. Hence, f not surjective. Simple.